For 5,000 years, humanity has agreed on one thing to store its wealth: gold. Empires rose and fell, currencies were born and died, and through all of it, a lump of shiny metal kept its crown. Then 17 years ago, a piece of code showed up and called itself digital gold. And it's now worth more than $2 trillion. So this is the fight of the century. The oldest money on earth versus the newest. One you can hold, one you can only see on a screen. By the end, you'll understand why this isn't really about which one goes up. It's about what money even is. Let's be clear about what they're fighting over. Both gold and Bitcoin are trying to be the same thing. A place to park value that no government can print away. Not a currency you spend on coffee, a vault you trust for decades. To judge that, we score 5 rounds. Scarcity, durability, trust, portability, and track record. No cheerleading, just the tail of the tape. Round 1. Scarcity. Money only holds value if you can't easily make more of it. Gold is scarce by nature. You can't print it, you have to dig it out of the ground, and that's slow. The world's gold supply grows only about 1 to 2% a year, but scarce isn't fixed. Find a giant new deposit and supply ticks up. Bitcoin is scarce by math. Its code caps the total supply at 21 million coins, forever, and no one can change that without the whole network agreeing. It's the first thing humans ever created that is provably finite. On pure certainty of the limit, this is Bitcoin's strongest punch. Round 2. Durability. Will it survive? Gold is almost indestructible. It doesn't rust, rot, or burn away. We still have gold coins pulled from 2,000-year-old shipwrecks good as new. It needs nothing. No battery, no internet, no company. Bitcoin is durable in a different way. It lives on a network of computers all over the world, with no single off switch. But it does depend on something gold never has: electricity, the internet, and you not losing your password. Lose your keys and your Bitcoin is gone forever. On survives anything, needs nothing. Round 2 goes to gold. Round 3. Trust, and this is where it gets interesting. Money is, in the end, a shared belief. Gold has the ultimate track record of trust. Central banks themselves, the same governments that print paper money, have been quietly buying gold, over 1,000 tons a year, several years running, as the asset they fall back on when they don't trust each other. Bitcoin's trust is younger and louder. To millions, it's freedom, money no government controls. To skeptics, it's a speculative bet that's crashed by 70% more than once. It has believers. It doesn't yet have 5,000 years. Round 3 goes to gold for now. Round 4, the one people get backwards. Which is easier to move? Your gut says gold, it's real, it's solid. But try moving $1 million of it. That's about 11 kilograms of metal you have to guard, ship, and insure across a border. Moving serious gold is slow, heavy, and expensive. Now Bitcoin, you can send $1 billion of it across the planet in minutes for a small fee, with nothing but a phone and a password in your head no guard can find. For large amounts over distance, the digital thing crushes the physical one. Round 4 is Bitcoin's, decisively. Round 5, track record, and it's lopsided honestly. Gold has been money across every civilization for 5 millennia. Bitcoin has existed for about 17 years. One has survived every war, empire, and crash in recorded history. The other hasn't yet lived through a full human lifetime. On proven endurance, this round isn't close. It's gold. So tally it up. Gold takes durability, trust, and track record. Bitcoin takes scarcity and portability. And the market agrees it's not a fair fight yet. Gold is worth around $30 trillion, Bitcoin around 2. Gold is still roughly 15 times bigger. For Bitcoin to merely match gold, one coin would have to be worth over $1 million. But here's the reframe. The honest answer isn't gold wins or Bitcoin wins. It's that they're not really the same fighter. Gold is the 5,000-year-old champion, boring, proven, slow. Bitcoin is the rookie, volatile, unproven, but built for a digital world gold was never designed for. Plenty of serious investors hold both. And the firm caveat, because this is exactly where people lose money. Gold can sit flat for a decade. Bitcoin can fall 70 or 80% in a year. It has more than once. Digital gold is a story, not a guarantee. Bitcoin may yet earn gold's crown, or it may not. Nothing here is a reason to rush out and buy either one. The point isn't to crown a winner. It's to understand what each one actually is. So whatever you decide it with your eyes open. Quick disclaimer. This is for education and information only, not financial advice, and not a recommendation to buy or sell gold, Bitcoin, or anything else. Prices are volatile, and these figures change daily. Do your own research. If this helped you finally see the real difference, hit like and subscribe to Innovana. We break down the past, present, and future of money every week. See you in the next one.